corporate sustainability is important to SoundOff because it protects the environment as well as minimizes the social impacts that a company can create. So how is SoundOff becoming a sustainable company is something that's not a light switch where a company can turn it on and off, sustainability. It's more along the lines of a journey. But most recently we put on solar panels to our Royal facility, which is now collecting and using and harnessing energy from the sun, obviously, and then we're transforming that into energy that we're using inside the buildings. Why did SoundOff Signal choose to go down the solar route? Number one is reduce carbon footprint. One of the benefits is avoiding 500,000 pounds of CO2 emissions into the atmosphere. So we have a grid system that we put on our warehouse facility, and eventually we're going to put on our central main building. But it is a grid that is non-penetrating, it's flexible, so it could work around HVAC units, but it's also a low slope solution as well. We also wanted to make sure that we could use both grid power and solar power because both buildings have different power usages, so we had to have both as a solution, and EcoGiva was that solution for us. What's next for SoundOff? We're adding solar panels to our central building. This will take place over the summer, and then we'll have both buildings up with solar power. Most of our manufacturing is located at the central building, and most of our warehousing is at the Royal building. We know that our journey is not done, and we know it's going to last pretty much a lifetime. SoundOff is extremely excited about this journey. And we're going to continue to put forth the capital investment as well as protecting the environment through these measures. It's something that is going to be a lasting impact on the environment here at SoundOff, as well as the employees, as well as the community.